sing it to me. Now my life is sweet like cinnamon, like a fucking dream I'm living in. Baby, love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be giving you guys a apartment tour of where I currently live at as a UCLA student. So this apartment is called Laurel, and it is one of the newer off-campus housing for UCLA, I believe. So I figured there wasn't a lot of like house tour videos on YouTube. Hopefully this can help some people. Some overview of this apartment. It is shared by a total of 8 people. So we have 4 double rooms and 2 shared bathrooms. And then we also have a kitchen area and like a sofa area for the common space. We do not have a gym here, but we do have a study space on the first floor. So yeah, I'll be showing you what the actual apartment looks like. So when you come through the door, to the left is our kitchen area. So we have our fridge and then dishwasher, the drying racks that we got ourselves, and then the sink area, the trash area, and then we also have a big oven and 4 stoves. And then it also comes with a microwave and a lot of storage because 8 people use this space. So like there's a lot of pans down here. And then we also brought our own air fryer and a small oven and like our kettles and Brita and all that. And then we have a dining table. This dining table like extends. And then we have our sofa area. And yeah, some more storage down there. Into our hallway, we have the AC control right here. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rooms, and they're all doubles. The layout of the first 3 rooms is like around the same. It's more like vertical, which I'll show you later, and then the end one is more like horizontal. And we have 2 bathrooms. This is not the one that I use, but I'll show you. It's like bigger compared to the other one. Yep. And then the other bathroom, which is the one that I use, is this one. It's like relatively a lot smaller, but I like it because there is like this door here where you can close. You don't have to wait for people using the shower or like the toilet in order to use the sink, which is pretty nice. And just some storage down there, and then our bathroom cleaning checklist. Okay, and then this is my room. I have a shoe stack right here because our room is like kind of small and we don't want our shoes laying around the floor. This is my room. The left side is my side. There's a full-size mirror behind the door, and then just our little stocking because Christmas just passed. And then my roommate got this super cute thing for us where we can like hang up our lanyards, and then there's supposed to be a cat peeking out. No idea why hers isn't peeking out. Let me fix that. But yeah, super cute. And then as for our light, like you can like dim it, which is pretty nice, or like turn it off completely. And then to the left is my closet. I put my luggage on top of there. These are like where all of my hoodies and jackets are, some of my hats and bags up there. And then I have a little snack bin and some of my tech stuff down there. Yep. And then as for my desk area, I got this organizer off of Amazon because I kind of like needed space to organize my cosmetic stuff. So I just have my perfumes there, my comb, my markers up there, some like random stuff, my makeup brushes. And then Here is my computer setup, a keyboard. So I got this laptop stand, which helped save a lot of space. It's my to-do list right there. I really recommend getting it light because like I don't think the light in the room is like bright enough. I've been using this and also that extension since freshman year. So these two are like essentials. Under my desk, I have this little cart here for my skincare and my hair stuff. Those are just gifts for Secret Santa me and my roommates are doing. And then I have my laundry bag right there. Yep, and a tiny trash can down there. As for my bed, I have my bags hanging here. And then my headphones, noise canceling headphones, which is a must for college dorms. And then here's my bed. As you can see, I have like a lot of plushies. I obviously have an addiction. I got that pillow recently because there's this thing that like I don't really like about this bed. There's like a hole here and I try to like push the bed in, but the bed frame is like too heavy or it just doesn't let me. It's kind of annoying, so I got that. And then as for my decos on the wall, I have a calendar right there that I got from Daiso. This painting that I did myself. This is gifted by one of my housemates. And then that's just a postcard that says Annie on it. And then those tapestries I got off of Amazon. These lights I also got from Amazon, which looks really cool when the lights are off. And then that I got from the UCLA bookstore. And then the posters are just from like school fairs and all that. This was under my desk originally, so it was like down here where the laundry bag is, but like it left like little room for my legs, so I just moved it here as a desk area for my bed, which is quite useful because I put night care stuff here and then also like charge my phone when I'm sleeping. And then we just have several drawers here that I keep my notebooks. And then right under my bed there are 4 drawers here, which are mostly my clothes and just a tiny bit of storage back there. I store my nail stuff there. Let me show you. These are the nails that I recently did. Anyways, yeah, that's it for my room tour. This is an overall view. Okay guys, so that's it for my apartment tour video. And please let me know if you have any questions regarding to like the layout of the apartment or like what the lifestyle is like sharing this apartment with 8 people and all that. And I'll be happy to answer all of them. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!